week we want to talk about how you're gonna make deep dish rims. Those kind of rims are used especially if you want to have a wider wheel on the rear than in the front, and it looks like this. So for that we're gonna use aluminum tube. This one has 22 millimeters, but of course it depends on your original rim. We're gonna cut the length of the way just as wide as we need it. Next step, we take measurement how much of the original rim we actually need. Most of the time you just need the inner piece, like the insert. Then you cut that down and sand it down until it perfectly fits, and there you have it. But this was the tip of this week.